Could be those right there, actually. This might be it. I don't know. Let's go check it out. Alright, I got a whole bunch of crap back here from my timing belt thing I did. Oh no. What are these for? Oh god. Oh, no, I don't remember. Let's put them over there. Alright, just got them. Let's check them out before we take them home, obviously. Just because we're here. So we got 165, 65 14s, and these are brand new, unfortunately. I wanted to avoid buying brand spanking new, but they are Toyos, and they are made in Japan. These are very nice. Very sticky, very nice. And they have E4s, and they have max load, which is good. So yeah, this center cap, I think you need a screwdriver actually, but to show you they are universals right there. So they are 4x100 or 4x114.3, so we're good on both accounts. Bing bang boom, let's put them on the cap. It's actually the first time I'm rocking universals. This is 4x100 or 114.3, so let's see how exactly we're gonna fit. Just take that center cap off, yeah? Ooh, whatever. I am very, very nice to my cars when the materials are very nice, but this is just a little bit of a clunker junker, honestly. There we go. Fits perfect. Perfect bore. That'll be good right there. Let's line it up. Put the cover back on so you don't see all these weird holes, and we'll be good to go. Actually, this car's so naturally low, my jack couldn't get under the car. So I'm using my old school emergency car trunk jack, whatever you call it. Use this jack only to change wheels, it says. Alright, that just took 10 minutes. Let's do this. They used it on a cappuccino of sorts. Yep. Alright, Toyo tires installed. You see, the thing is, I was not gonna do winters, like legitimately, but I do drive my son around in this car when my wife is using the what do you call the Legacy, and when the 86 is being used. So I just needed some winters. Just buy new. Always buy new when it comes to safety. Can't go wrong with safety. If you're just looking to put something on the road like a K-truck or something that only travels 500 meters a day, just throw anything on there. But yeah, if you're on the road, if you're on highways, safety first.